Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Bgmi in PC. But before that, if you don't know what is Bgmi, it is a free-to-play battle royale game developed in which it is per branded version of PUBG Mobile tailored to meet Indian government regulations and concerns regarding data privacy and user safety. And to start downloading this, all you need to do first is simply use this platform or emulator called BlueStacks. So you can search on Google BlueStacks and you will be directed on this bluestacks.com, and from here it will show you a variety of applications that you can start downloading. But to proceed, the first thing that we need to do is to simply choose here or click the Battlegrounds mobile on Google Play or using any other app store in here. However, at this point, we're going to use the BlueStacks in order to start installing it directly. So just click download BlueStacks button right here to start installing, and it will show you after installing this one. After opening it, just simply proceed by clicking the option on the top left corner, My Games or Store option in here. But however, below, if you scroll down, it will show you also a variety of application to choose from. You can also find BGMI in here or Battlegrounds Mobile India, or alternatively, you could also use the search bar in here. However, upon searching BGMI, you will not be able to see here the result. Now at this point, I'm just going to choose or click My Games option. And from here, you should be able to see in here this search bar on the top panel, which is for Google Play Store. Upon searching BGMI, you will not be able also to see here the result. So to sign in to our Google Play Store, kind of click the button or the folder. If you go back in here or click My Games, just click the System Apps button and click Google Play Store in here. Upon doing so, we need to simply sign in our account or Google Play Store account in here. You simply enter the email address and also the password of our Google Play Store account. Then once done, you should be able to see here that the Google services is now currently being loaded. So you can simply scroll down and click also save button or more and simply click the accept button to proceed. Upon doing so, from here, it will show you that we have now currently in our Google Play Store. So just go to the search bar and search for BGMI. However, make sure that you are located in India to navigate this or install this Battlegrounds Mobile India. But since this app isn't available on my Google Play Store in my region, let's just pretend that this PUBG Mobile is currently the BGMI. So from here, we need to simply install this application, and upon installing it, you should be able to be directed, or it should be appear on your system apps or this My App section in here in our BlueStacks. So we can start simply clicking on the application to play it directly in here in our PC. So you should be able to see the result in here or the application. And overall, that is just basically how you can download BGMI in PC.